So to create a point or any object off of an alignment at a specific station and elevation, it's basically what's called a transparent command or a input command basically. So if I go to create points and I just click on create point, put in my point number ID, feature code, when the northing and easting is looking for a location, if you set focus in the northing, right click, and from your options here, which are your snap options, you have the offset option, and you want to offset it from a line, not the segment. The segment would just be along the tangent or along the arc. We actually want to use the offset line. It's going to ask us to select a line, so I'm going to pick here, and you can see that I've got a CAD polyline as well as a horizontal alignment. I'm going to choose the horizontal alignment. Now I can just arbitrarily pick. You can see that it's snapping to the alignment. Or if I was to type in a value of, let's say, 250 or 2 plus 50, okay, so if I did 250, and then tab down, and then whatever my offset happens to be is either negative to the left or positive to the right. So if I said negative 50, then it's going to calculate the northing and easting at that location. So we should get a point somewhere up in here. I can enter the elevation and height and then click add, and you can see now that point's been created and it's at station 250 at 50 foot or 50 feet to the left. If I went positive, it would go to the right. So this is actually coming off the alignment. You'll see here if I do it again, right click and offset line, pick the alignment and horizontal, and you can see I'm just going to pick somewhere in here, and you can see that it actually calculates that 2 plus 7, 9, and then whatever the offset is, I can pick here, and it will calculate that point and set that point at that location.